Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I'm here with a small Rummage Sale Haul that I actually rode my bike to go to, so about 6 blocks. And I tell you, I could tell I was definitely out of shape. I forgot my bottle of water. Yeah, I wasn't prepared, but I made it. And then I'm glad I did because they had more stuff I could have bought, but I kept to my limit, which was $20. And I spent $15. And I got this for $5. I like these. These are great for storage. I have one other one I use. Actually, it's called my Tim Holtz one, where it's all my little Timmy Holtz ephemera and stuff. This is brand new. Whoops. It's got all these little compartments. I love these for storage. So I paid $5 for this. That was a good deal on that because I know how much these babies cost. So I got that. And that's it in my basket. Then I thought this was interesting. I paid $1 for it. It says Score It 2. Just says Score It. So I have to look this up. What I'm thinking is that you put this down and you use this little thing to score. The pad does not come up. I paid $1 for that. I thought it was kind of cool. Then I got these for $1. I love flowers. And then this is one I paid $1 for. I love it because look at, it's got a light bulb and gears and a old bicycle, old-fashioned design, a man. And this is made from Multi-Craft. I paid $1 for that. And then this is I saw this Rummage Sale on the marketplace on Facebook, and I knew it wasn't that far from me. I purposely went for this. Check this out. This is the biggie. I paid $1 for it. I was like, yes, I will take that because I paid $25 for my new one I got here. Look at, the only thing is the change. Not much. Oops, there we go. So, and I have a tendency to break these. So these break very easy. So that was worth the ride. So I told you my haul was small, but I had some good deals. I could have bought more because they had some dies, but there were dies I wouldn't use, and they had some more stamps, and they just weren't stamps I would have used. They had the 12 by 12 irises boxes for $4 a piece, which was a good deal, but I didn't need any more. I got tons of them. I got 3 of these already, like this. Got where my stamps and dies are in them that are a set, or just my dies, and then one is my Timmy Holtz. So I just thought I'd come on and share that with you. I hope you guys are having a good Sunday. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.